There's something making you very happy right now. And I have to censor this card. But this is a sun card. This could indicate Jupiter moving into Leo very soon at the end of this month. And it's June at the time of recording this video. But also it could just talk about this summer. I see the Nine of Swords in reverse, which is good because it means that these swords are being released, even if slowly. Some of you could be intentionally stretching, like some yin yoga is coming to mind. You could be setting a bedtime for yourself and just intentionally letting go of stress. Interesting. Okay, so I have the Three of Cups, the Ten of Cups, and the Lovers. So I can't show the Lovers card. This deck is the only one that I have that really needs censored on, social media. But there's a lot of celebration to be had right now. You might even be getting married. Because remember, the Lovers card is back here. Okay. So this could be a marriage for some of y'all, or you're attending someone's wedding, like in your social group or your family. But there's like a lot of things to be happy about right now. Or at least throughout this summer, right? What do they need to know? That is too much. So that's how you know if this is your message, because those things are relating. The Six of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Some of you have reconciled recently with someone from your past in a very positive way. Okay, this was something that was very genuine with the Ace of Cups. Okay, that's a very pure form of love. But also, if that's not you and this is your message, because this is collective, so every little piece of this, okay, it's not going to fit for everyone. Don't force any part of a collective message. If you want something very specific for you and only you, dropdeadcosmic.com is the only way to work with me. But for some of you, this could be a reunion with your children. And for some of you, it's like your adult children. Again, it's like a lot of cups here. There's a lot of emotions happening here. And so I understand this Nine of Swords. This could be sort of just like maybe like a good anxiousness. And I know that's counteracted. It's like contradicting to say, but it could just be like nerves, right? Some of you could be connecting with people that you haven't seen in a very long time, and it's just emotional, and it's like something you're anxious about, but you're also very, very satisfied about. Very emotional. I like this though. I'm not taking this in reverse. Yeah, so the Awakening and the Four of Swords. Wow, I feel like a lot of you have prayed for some of these connections to be a thing again, to become normal again. It's like there was a lot of, this could be like a second chance situation in several cases, but also it's like, yeah, you're finding peace through it's like through these connections being made with all this like upheaval of emotion, you very much have a different perspective on life through these events, through these connections. And it's definitely going to create better rest. I'm seeing like peace come from these connections. And I say these connections because some of it is romantic, but a lot of it's very familial. I'm almost like overwhelmed reading this energy because it's like, you know, we evolve as time goes on. Nobody really stays the same. People like to say, oh, people never change and stuff. And I'm just like, that is the furthest thing from true, because nothing stays the same for too long. It may appear that way, but at the same time, you know, it's just not the case. It's just not. You know, and think of yourself as well. Interesting. Yeah, there could be a coming together after like a big explosion, or just after a big event that wasn't ideal, but it was necessary for whatever purpose, for whatever evolution we needed within ourselves, okay? So I don't see this as, none of this is fortune telling. This is just an energy assessment and organization. Okay, and so this was something of the past. This has already occurred, okay? And so it's like a coming together after something like this is even more special. Like, it's just, oh, I feel the intensity of it. I really do. I really do. And there's definitely the Empress. So there's definitely some maternal energy involved within this. And I think I'm just gonna close it out at that, because I think we summed it up pretty well. I'm excited for you, and my heart is like really full reading this energy, and so I've gotta go. Let me know if this was yours.